Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to avoid installing fake Perplexity. Let's begin! Unfortunately, on the Play Store, the problem with fake applications is really common. If we go to the Play Store right now and try to search for Perplexity, we will have on the top a different result than our original application. This case, the one with ChatGPT on the top, is not that bad, to be honest. However, I know that there are many worse cases, like many more. So for example, if we would search for Perplexity AI, in the sponsored section we would have a completely different application, which is not even ChatGPT, it's not Perplexity, it's something else. For example, this AI chat, Ask AI Chat, anything. As you can see, the logos are pretty similar to one of these, and if I remember correctly, this application right here is the one that many people actually think that this is Perplexity, even though that in reality it is not. We can try to install both of these. Okay, this one. Oh, it's pretty funny that I just lost the fake one that I was talking about. What the heck? Let's hide it. Okay, it's pretty funny, but okay, it's right here. So let's try to install it and we will see a difference. However, before they install, we don't really have to install both of these applications in order to deduct which application is legit and which is fake. If we look closely, except the name and the logo, we can also check the developer itself. As you can see, the developer of Perplexity is Perplexity AI. If we click on them, we will see that they haven't really released any other application other than Perplexity itself. However, if we go to this fake application, which let's say we don't know it's fake, so it's right here, we can see that it is not created by Perplexity, it's created by something called Became Applications Backbomb Global. If we go to this developer, we will see a very big amount of applications, and if you look closely, and if you are, they even have other chatbots. Who could have guessed? As you can see, they are known for creating many fake applications. This one is just the Google Translator. It has almost the same logo as the original. The PDF reader is also stolen, as many applications actually have official PDF readers. This is just Google Translator once again, and obviously our AI chat, Ask AI Chat, anything. So if you are at any time, if you are unaware, or if you're just not sure if the application that you want to download is legit or not, you can always check the developers and you will see for yourself how much they have released. Because as you can see, the original developers, the Perplexity AI, don't have any other application other than Perplexity. But enough about that, we can go into these two. As you can see, this is original Perplexity and this is Chat AI chatbot. You can go into the original right here, and as you can see, we have to log in. I will log in with my Google account. They are automatically signing me in since I only have one Google account on my device. And as you can see, we have also subscription, which we can luckily, we can just leave this, but it's important to note that we don't have an option for free trial. This is incredibly important, and we'll see later why. And if we leave it, we can just easily use the Perplexity. This is how it looks. We have these buttons at the bottom, we have the keyboard right here, and we can also switch basically the model of the AI and all of this stuff. However, if we go to this fake application, we can see that not only we have to consent our application, our data. So let's go to manage options and let's try to, disable all of these. Oh, I couldn't even do that. Well, at the very first glance, we can see that at the bottom we have ads and no original applications. The legit one, like for example Perplexity or ChatGPT or DeepSeek, don't have any ads since they don't need them. But if we hit done, we'll see that ads only start to showing up, since if we go here, you can see that there's still an ad at the bottom. Let's skip this little screen here, and now we are also struck with a subscription based screen that you have unlimited access now. So if you want to have unlimited access, then unfortunately you have to buy our subscription. And of course you can enable our free trial if you want to, and there is no payment now, but there will be right in the 3 days, or maybe not, because as you can see they just lied to us. They say that there's no payment, but we still have to plug in our card, which is a very, very bad idea if you are using on any of these applications. And now if we go into like the main site, let's just don't allow these, you can see that this is the application, this is also the application, and this is a big ad right in the middle of our wannabe Perplexity. So yeah, that is really unfortunate. Of course this one is fake, so all you have to do is just uninstall it, and you always want to uninstall these applications, since as you could see, I installed it like 3 minutes ago, and they already had some of my data on the phone itself, which is really, really unfortunate. And lastly, I just want to have a little fun fact for you, that like the ultimate way to basically say which application is legit and which is not is to just look at its name. And I don't mean like the official title. If the AI chat you're looking for has like a custom name, then it's probably legit. As you can see, this is called Perplexity, this is ChatGPT, and if we scroll and find our fake one, we can see that this doesn't really have a name, it's just an AI chat, and not the Perplexity or the ChatGPT, it's just a normal chat AI app with no distinct name. And if we scroll down, we should see a little bit more of these AI assistants. We can see that we also have Chatbot AI, Search Assistant, AI Chat, Ask Chatbot Assistant, Ask AI. They don't really have any custom name on it, meaning that almost all of them are in some way or shape or other form fake. And I mean, if you are looking for them, then you can just download them. But if you're looking for official applications, and usually you want to download these three, ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Perplexity, yeah, unfortunately, they are fake, they gather your data, they show you lots of ads, and they require a monthly subscription, or a yearly, who can count. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.